When your SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner leaks water from the bottom, there are several common causes you can check and fix yourself. The most frequent culprit is a full water tank. Always check if the water tank indicator light is on and empty the tank immediately when it signals full capacity. A clogged drain line prevents proper water drainage. Inspect the drain line for blockages and use a thin brush or flush with water to clear any debris that may have accumulated. Proper leveling is essential for drainage. Ensure your air conditioner sits on a flat, level surface to facilitate proper water flow to the drain system. Examine the drain hose carefully for disconnections, kinks, or damage. A damaged or improperly connected drain hose will prevent water from flowing out properly. Dirty air filters restrict airflow, leading to moisture accumulation and potential leaks. Clean your filters regularly to maintain proper airflow and prevent water buildup. Finally, check the drain plug to ensure it's properly sealed. A loose or damaged drain plug will allow water to leak from the bottom of the unit. By systematically checking these common causes, water tank, drain line, leveling, drain hose, air filters, and drain plug, you can identify and resolve most portable air conditioner leaks. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the leak, advanced steps are needed. High humidity environments require special attention to prevent excess condensation. Inspect the condensate pump, as a faulty pump prevents proper drainage and causes internal water buildup. Also check for cracks in the drain pan, which will cause direct water leakage. Proper ventilation is crucial. Close doors and windows, remove heat sources, and ensure adequate airflow around the unit. Avoid placing the unit in direct sunlight to prevent overheating. If your display shows FL error code, turn off the unit, drain it completely, then restart. Regular cleaning of air filters and drain lines is essential for preventing future leaks. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve the leak, professional repair may be necessary. Persistent leaks can indicate internal component failure that requires expert diagnosis and repair.